what's up guys, it's your girl Ktura Kay and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you all, I'm going to introduce you all to one of my best friends. I'm so excited and here she is. Apple cider vinegar with the mother, and this one is made by Bragg's. I love the Bragg's brand. So Bragg's organic apple cider vinegar with the mother, can't forget the mother. And yes, this is my bestie. So I'm going to be explaining to you why apple cider vinegar with the mother is my bestie. So hopefully you all are interested in watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and that bell to be notified when I post new videos. So if you're interested in watching, stay tuned. So as you all may or may not know, apple cider vinegar has so many healthy properties and it can be used for so many things. They even have a book on so many different home remedies you can use apple cider vinegar for, and my mom has it. Listen, my mom swears by this stuff. She loves apple cider vinegar and she always makes sure I get the one with the mother. She's like, did you get the one with the mother? I'm like, yes, I got the one with the mother. And yes, so you definitely want to get the organic, unpasteurized, raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. And like I said, I love the Bragg's brand. So yeah, this one is about empty. It looks like a 40, huh? But you definitely can't drink it like a 40. No, but it's almost empty. So this big one usually lasts me a good little minute though, but I don't drink it like I'm supposed to. You're supposed to drink it. You're supposed to take a little shot of it every day with, you have to mix it with water. Don't just go and put this in a shot glass and drink it. Honey, you will about have a darn heart attack or something, because it's that strong. Like, health is really good for your health, but it will make you sick drinking this stuff straight. So I always have to mix it with a little bit of like warm water or something, and I just mix it around and I drink it that way. So I've tried, believe me, I tried drinking it straight before and it burned my freaking throat. Like, it hurts so bad. So I definitely don't recommend that. But like I said, I drink it every now and then. I should be drinking it every day. After this video, I'm probably actually going to start drinking it every day and actually set an alarm for it so I can remember to do it, because it's that important. It is so healthy. So I'm going to share with you all some of the benefits of using apple cider vinegar and what it does, and then I'm going to elaborate on how I use it for different things while I'm explaining the different things it can be used for. So I have my apple cider vinegar notes here in my phone. So apple cider vinegar improves digestion, it lowers the blood sugar levels, it improves insulin sensitivity, it improves healthy hair, it helps you lose weight, and that's why a lot of people drink it every day, because they say it helps you lose weight. It definitely also curbs your appetite, and it just suppresses your appetite. You're not hungry at all. So I like it for that. I think that's why a lot of people tend to drink it, or drink it throughout the day, because they're not as hungry when they drink the apple cider vinegar. So it also has anti-aging properties. It improves insulin sensitivity. It helps reduce acne. It helps reduce belly fat. It reduces bloating. It lowers blood pressure. It aids heartburn. It improves your overall heart health. It decreases cancer risk, which is very important. It kills bacteria and lowers your cholesterol. And it improves your heart health and contains antioxidants. The main things that I use apple cider vinegar for is for my hair, my skin, and just my overall health and digestion, like when I drink it and stuff. So the other ingredient that I like to mix this apple cider vinegar with is called Indian Aztec Healing Clay. So these two together are a really powerful combination when it comes to your hair and your face and your skin. So it gets into those pores and actually works. I love using these two together. It reduces inflammation in my face. If I have any inflammation or any acne or anything like that, it reduces that, and it also helps and promoting, you know, healthy skin and glowing skin and healthy hair. When I create this mask and put it in my hair for about a good 30 minutes and let it dry, and then I rinse it out, my hair feels so healthy. It feels so soft and it just feels stronger, you know. So the mask works really well. So like I said, I like to use it for a good 30 minutes and my hair feels so good when I rinse it out. It's nice and shiny. It just feels really good. But you want to really make sure you rinse this clay out because it can kind of get stuck in your hair if you don't wash it out really good. Another way I use this in my hair is as a rinse. When I don't feel like shampooing my hair, I'll do like an apple cider vinegar rinse, and I'll make sure I get into my scalp, work it in my scalp, and I just pour it. I literally just pour it into my scalp and just work it in, and then I'll rinse it out, and it leaves my hair squeaky clean. It has antifungal and antibacterial properties, so it really gets all of the gunk and stuff out of your hair and cleanses it really well. So that is another way I use it. And I also noticed that it does prevent ingrown hairs. My brother actually uses it, so it can be used as like an aftershave also, so it's really good for that too, and it prevents the ingrown hairs and, you know, just prevents the inflammation that, you know, shaving and stuff gives off. So this bad boy can be used for so many things. I definitely recommend reading the book too. I haven't actually read the entire book, but my mom has it, and she has, you know, shown me a few different things in the book that she has. So I definitely would find it beneficial, and they have it here on the back. Apple cider vinegar, miracle health systems, and they have a book. It just shows everything that apple cider vinegar is capable of doing and what you can use it for. So thank you all so much for watching. I'm glad you all were able to meet one of my best friends. So I really appreciate you. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and that bell to be notified when I post new videos. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.